today's look. I asked you guys what you wanted to see on Instagram, if you guys wanted a pink look, a pink eyeshadow look or a purple eyeshadow look, and you guys said purple. So here it is. Let's jump right into the look. First things first, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already. Support your girl. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, all that good stuff. I'll be sure to link it also down below, as well as all the products I use in this video. And with that said, I don't want to talk too much and annoy you. So with that said, let's jump right into the tutorial. So today we're going to do a purple eyeshadow look. Right now I just shaded in my eyebrows a little bit. They look completely terrible because they need to be redone. And I just used this LA Girl Pro Concealer for a primer for my eyes, and I just set it with my Mercier powder. So I have moisture on my face. I'm using the Curel US Moisturizer. And by the way, I will be sure to link everything down below. And yeah, so let's just jump right into the look. My skin is terrible right now. Yikes. So I'm gonna go in with some Nars Foundation. This is in the shade Medium 1. And using a Real Techniques Beauty Blender, I'm just going to blend it all over. I hope my fan's not too loud because it's really freaking hot today. The night's as black as it's ever been. Without my girl, I'm a losing. I love that song. I'm just gonna blend down my neck as well. Now that I have my Nars Foundation, my eyebrows done, my eyes primed, we're gonna go in and do this eyeshadow color. So for the eyeshadow, I want to do a purple look, but I'm not completely sure what I want to do. So today I'm going to be using the Masquerade Mini by Juvias. This palette. So I did this eye. I just need to do this one. I did this one off cam because you couldn't really see when I'm doing it, and plus I didn't know what the hell I was gonna do. I just knew I was gonna do purple. So what was I gonna say? So yeah, so let's do this eye. So I'm gonna go in the Masquerade Mini by Juvias Place palette, and we're gonna go in with this shade Burkina for the transition color. I'm taking my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just gonna go in the crease lightly with a little bit of product until I get my desired shade. This color is like a chocolatey brown. This palette is just so great. I've literally only used it maybe like 2-3 times, and I've had it for a while. I don't know why I never use it. It's really good if you really want to do like a pop of color or like a very vibrant color eye look. There's really some great colors in here. The eyeshadows in this palette are super pigmented, like it's crazy. Such a great formula too. Very like creamy and light, and they last all day. On 4th of July I had did like a blue look, and it lasted all day and everybody loved it. I actually used like this color. If you have followed me on Instagram, which you should, I use this color on 4th of July. Now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M443 brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Zobo. It's like a purplish pink. Zobo. These colors, I don't know if I'm pronouncing the names right, but yeah. So this, we're just gonna take it lightly on the outer corner below the crease into the inner corner, very lightly, and then just blend it all together. So today guys, I was trying to use my DSLR camera, and it's like broken, like it shuts off on its own. I don't know what's wrong with it. I need to get a new camera, which is really annoying because I feel like I barely even use that camera for it to break so fast. Like I did drop it twice, but it wasn't that hard, and it just, I don't know, it just stopped working. Like it's really annoying because I get such better shots and like more professional of a look when I use my DSLR camera. So right now I'm using my phone, which I'm like annoyed with, but whatever. I'm gonna fix it. It's like probably a little sloppy right now, but we're gonna go back in and fix it, so it's all good. So now I'm gonna go in with the shade Marquita, and I'm gonna be using my finger actually. Marquita, I don't know. So this I'm just gonna put towards the center, to the inner corner, to the outer corner. Just get it all over the lid. I want my this eye look to just be really about really focused on more so of the purple shade than anything else. Also, I want it to be really vibrant. That's why I'm adding more and more. I want that vibrant purple look. Don't worry about this. We're gonna clean it up with a makeup wipe or whatever you have you can wipe it off with. Now I just want to clean it up a bit. I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe M443 brush and just kind of blend the pinkish purple shade and the purple shade together to make it more clean. And now I'm gonna take the brush I use for the crease color, I cannot talk today, which is my Morphe M441 brush, and just kind of clean out the outer area. Okay, now I'm gonna take a makeup wipe because I messed up. And we're gonna do like, you know, straight cat eye look. Oh no. Oh no. There we go. I have foundation on right there, so it like came off, but I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and just blend it. There's probably some leftover foundation on here. Now I'm going to take this Morphe E22 brush, get the Makeda, which is the dark purple shade, Makeda, I don't know if I'm saying it right, and just, you know, blend it all on there. Make sure it looks very neat and blended and it's all over the lid like this. Okay, so now I'm going to just be putting on my lashes using my Eyelure glue and my lashes that I have. I don't know the names of these, but they are by Eyelure. They're like this. You can't really see them. Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing this off cam. If you guys want to see how to do lashes, I have a video on it. Okay, so I have my lashes on. I just want to get my hair out my face though, so I can do the rest of my face. Moving on to the rest of the face, which is great because I really need concealer. Without it, I look completely terrible. You guys, I got the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light to medium from Ulta. They had it like right by the stand in this little baby one, which is good because I always wanted to try it. I've heard a lot of good things about it, but you know, you really have to try stuff on yourself to see like if it goes with your skin type, because I feel like everybody is just so different. Like there's different skin types. Some stuff people like, some stuff they don't. So yeah, I really like the applicator too. I hate when stuff is like not easy to apply. You gotta like use another brush and whatnot. So I'm just using it under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose. Oh my god, does it have a scent? It actually smells kind of good, like a perfume. But I mean, I've been liking this. I've used it probably like 3 times maybe. But I've been trying different concealers because I have dark circles. Like I need full coverage concealer. I use the, what is it called? The It Bye Bye Under Eye. Super thick. Do not really like it. Good for a primer though. The NYX HD concealer, pretty good. Not full coverage enough for me. The LA Pro, I got the wrong shade, but I feel like this is really thin and kind of watery. So I'm just blending all of this out with a beauty blender. I'm just gonna do a little bit of baking. I usually don't bake, but I really want to get that bright under eye. You know, I'm going for that like Instagram baddie snatched look. And then I'm just gonna set like the T-zone area. I get really like oily when I go out in this area. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit. And when I say a little bit, I mean a little bit, you know, not a lot, a little. So we're gonna just let that sit, y'all, for like a few seconds, because I'm not trying to be looking cakey. Or I don't know, I get scared to bake because I feel like it makes me cakey. Now I'm gonna be doing some contour. I've been loving the NYX Wonder Sticks. This is in the shade Universal. You know how they have like those memes on Instagram where it's like, what could you not go without? Mascara, lashes, blah, blah. It's like, for me, I can't go without contour, bronzer, mascara, concealer. I need all that. I can't just pick one. Because everything, when you put it together, it just really makes a difference. So I'm just blending this out with my Real Technique sculpting brush. If you watch my previous videos, I'm still using this brush. Love it. I haven't really changed my brushes much, more so just the products. I'm feeling snatched. Now I'm just taking my Morphe R13 brush and just brushing away all that excess powder. Oh, you guys, I want to get this 4K Sony camera. I've heard so much good stuff about it. Hopefully soon you'll be seeing me in 4K, because I don't know if this iPhone video is really gonna be all that popping. I'm gonna try to put some editing in it and whatnot, make it look a little more professional, but you know, there's only so much a girl can do. Now we're gonna go under the eye, add some more pop of that purple letter. I'm gonna be taking my Morphe E36 with that dark purple. I kind of want to do it so you guys can see. I'm just taking a little bit of product, adding more and more purple. This purple shade is so bomb. Like, even if you don't want to wear this on your lid, even just as like an under eye color, so good. I'm just going to be taking my Morphe E433 brush and kind of just blending it down. That's that. I kind of just want to let the eyes chillax for a minute. Ooh. And I just want to add some more bronzer. We are missing a brush, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, never mind. This is my e.l.f. blush, angled blush brush. So I'm taking this in my favorite bronzer of all times, Give Me Sun by MAC. And I'm just gonna lightly add this everywhere. I like to look snatched the fuck F, you feel me? Okay. And now, since I'm just like really feeling myself, I'm gonna use my favorite highlighter that I never use, because it's that highlighter that I love it so much that I never use it because I don't want to use it all. So this is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Spotlight. I love this stuff, especially like nighttime in like videos. Oh. You know how you get those videos where you're just like, and like your just highlighter is just beaming to the gods? That's what this does. It's that bomb. I just love it. I just love it. Okay, I'm just gonna use a beauty blender to kind of blend it into my skin. Oh, you can't even see really. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna go with another. This is the Sephora Luminizer to Go. Is this Sephora? Yeah, Sephora. Luminizer to Go in the shade 12 Miss Sunshine. I'm just gonna set it with some NYX Matte Finish Finny Matte. Matte Finish Finna Matte? I don't know what it's called, but yeah. I get scared to like do this. Oh, fail. I'm gonna put a lot because I feel like my face needs to be refreshed. Oh, ow, it burns. Okay, maybe that was a, okay, we're good. Oh, I just want to add some mascara to blend my lashes with the falsies. And I cannot live without mascara on my lower lash line. So I also got this as a free sample from Ulta. It's the Lights Camera Action Tarte mascara, which I heard some good things about. So I'm not really a lipstick junkie. I'm more of a lip gloss type of gal. I'm gonna be using the NYX Duo Chromatic in Spring It On. This is like my favorite lip gloss right now. I also always get compliments on it, and people always want to use it. I'll be like, girl, get your own. This is the finishing look. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I think it's quite aesthetically pleasing. I just had to use a big word before I go. So yeah, I hope you guys like this look. I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you made it this far, and see you in my next video. Bye guys. Oh, also I put my nose ring back. Poppin'. Bye.